Hello again. All right then. What we see first here is we see our landing page. Then on the navigational menu, I am scrolling down and we did abstract and prospectus in the previous couple of weeks. Now we're going to look at review of literature chapter. All right. So if you've already taken research methods, then this assignment is essentially the polished and completed version of the previous review of literature chapter. It's assumed at this point, by the time you finish your review of literature chapter this term, all of the sources that you've chosen are settled, and that this chapter is essentially as it will appear in the finalized thesis, right? Okay. So here we are. Let's look at that to-do list. Check assignments and review of literature unit pages. Complete your reading assignments. Again, this is self-directed readings. Complete answers to the forums and answer your colleagues. Uh, do completions of stages 1 and 2 of the literature review. Stage 1 is due on the 26th of September. Stage 2 in November on the 30th. So in this stage, I'm assuming it's going to be relatively similar to what you turned in during research methods if you took research methods with Heritage. If you did not take it with Heritage, or if you are taking it in tandem with Thesis 1, then this would be for graduates, a minimum of 5 sources that you think you're going to be using in your thesis. And for undergrads, it would be a minimum of 3. And again, it's not complete at this stage. This is your rough draft. Then in the completed stage, whatever your completed sources, now minimum of 20 for graduates and a minimum of 6 for undergrads. This is what you're doing in this second stage, and that's not due until almost the end of the term. So we're anticipating that essentially you are completing that. And again, if you've already done significant work in research methods, then certainly stage 1 will simply be uploading a lot of that work you've already done. And then stage 2 will be accomplished as you complete that work. All right, let's check the forum home. Remember, this is on its way. The thesis handbook will be with us very soon. So weeks 4 through 7, reading and work report, questions concerning the literature review. So we're at a point now in this previous assignment of the abstract and prospectus. I'm assuming that you already had that basically done. But in this section, I'm assuming that you might have some questions about the polished, finished review of literature chapter. So if you have questions, this is the place to put them. And then we also in this section, since it's a progression, we're looking at 4 through 7 reading and work reports. So what have you been reading during weeks 4 through 7 of the term? Splendid. I always get very excited about the review of literature, and Sol and I look forward to reading your work. All right. Stay safe, be well, and I'll see you soon. Many thanks. Stay safe, be well.